Hello and welcome back to the Knowledge Chest. In today's lesson I'm going to walk you through how to play the B-flat minor chord on the guitar. This explanation is designed to be simple and easy to follow, especially for those who are blind or just starting out. Let's begin with the B-flat minor chord. To play this chord, you will need to use a bar chord shape. Start by barring all the strings on the 6th fret with your index finger. Make sure to press down firmly on all 6 strings. Next, place your ring finger on the 5th string, A string, on the 8th fret. Then, place your pinky finger on the 4th string, D string, on the 8th fret as well. Now, strum all 6 strings, and you should hear the sound of the B-flat minor chord. Remember, the key is to press down hard enough with your index finger to ensure that all the strings ring out clearly. If you'd like to hear how the B-flat minor chord sounds, check the link in the video description. And there you have it, the B-flat minor chord. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Chest for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.